The third thing that I wanted to share with you is there is studies done that when we are afraid, what happened to our body? Our body physiology change. Our heart race, we breathe very fast, we start sweating. So it is the same effect when we are excited. So when you are traveling, when you have a party, when you have a birthday event, you're becoming so happy, so excited, your body goes through the same physiology. You heartbeat, you sweat, you are out of breath of excitement. So there is no difference between when you are afraid of something or when you are excited. What is the difference? It's what you tell to your brain. So now every time you want to do something, you want to present, you want to speak, instead of you thinking that what if something bad, and you start changing it, you can change that moment by being so excited and tell to yourself, I'm excited, I'm excited, I'm excited. This is a powerful technique by one of the author of the 5-second rule, Mel Robbins. She said, when you change being terrified to I am excited, your energy boost, your fear disappear. I have applied the same technique when I was called in one of the schools here in Oman. It was a public speaking school to do a speech. Although there were students, it was 400 people, my heart was racing, I was so terrified, I was like, then I just hold myself and said, I'm excited, I'm excited. And then that excitement, when I went on stage and when I spoke, it's all disappeared. So the message I want to tell you today is no one can stop you from becoming the person you want to become, except one person who can stop you, and that is yourself. You can only stop yourself. So I want you to believe in yourself. Believe in the person you want to become. There is no, I would say, nothing is impossible, and there is no impossible. Everything is possible. If I'm someone who came at the age of 17 without speaking English or Arabic, now I can deliver a speech and I am a speaker in English around the world. That means that you can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. Nothing can stop you, and I would like to really encourage you to continue your journey. Don't stop learning. I'm still learning till now. You can see I love readings. Keep learning, keep improving. When you improve yourself, you will become a better person. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank your teachers. They are really investing in you, and I'm so happy and grateful to join you. Why I join you? Because my message is to spread knowledge, is to share my journey, my knowledge, and I'm so happy to be with you in this journey, and I look forward for the next opportunity that we will meet. Thank you so much, and keep growing. We are here to support you. My greetings from Oman. Thank you so much.